Hello my dear VLSI aspirants, welcome to Deep Silicon VLSI YouTube channel. In this video, we mainly focus on logic optimization, how we can design a simplified circuit as per the design requirement. That's it. Let us dive into the question number 14. The black box in the figure shown below consists of a minimum complexity circuit that uses only AND or NOT gates. The function f of x, y, z is equals to 1 whenever x and y are different and 0 otherwise. In addition, 3 inputs x, y, z are never all the same values. What is the equation that leads to the correct design for the minimum complexity circuit? Right. It is a design which with 3 inputs. Right. So, as per the design requirement, you need to determine the truth table. This is a crucial step in the question. Remember everybody. So, as per the requirement, if you determine the truth table, how it looks. See, there are 3 variables. Therefore, x, y, z. And this is the function. Let's assume. Therefore, guys, here we get 000, 001, 010, 011, 100, 101, 110, 111. Now, what is a requirement? Design requirement. F of x, y, z is equals to 1 and x and y are different. When x and y are different, guys, here, because x, y here 0, 0. X and y are different in this case, so you will get 1. Here also 1, 0, you will get 1. Right? And 0 otherwise. However, there is one more requirement. In addition to that, the 3 inputs x, y and z are never all the same values. So, they never all the same values they told. If it never happens, it could be considered as don't care. Hence, this will be don't care. This will be don't care. All are the same values now. And remaining won't happen and this is equal to 0. That's it. So guys, the first crucial step completed. We determine the truth table as per the design requirement. Now what next? What next? You take the minterms and you give the expression? No. Because he is asking you the minimum complexity circuit. Hence, you need to map this into the K-map. You need to simplify the expression. And then you need to develop the hardware as per the equation. That's it. Hence, now if I take the 3 variable K map, we get like this. It is like x, y, z. Hence, here x bar, x. Y bar, z bar, y bar, z, yz, yz bar. Now guys, here where we got, see this 0, 0, 0, don't care. 1, 1, 1, don't care. Now it is 0, 1, 0, 2 means 0, 1, 2. Here 1. Similarly 3. Here 1. Again 4, 5. Here 1 and 1. That's it. So we mapped it. Now you simplify. When you simplify this one, what do you get? This is x. Z bar gets cancelled. Y bar. Similarly, this one. What is this? X bar. Y. Hence, guys, the Boolean function as per the design requirement, the minimum complexity circuit. The simplified equation is xy bar plus x bar y. These kind of questions are essential questions. Definitely you will get the questions, these kind of things in all VLSI placements examinations. Remember guys, don't miss these kind of conceptual based questions. Okay, I hope you like the video. Everybody, please subscribe our YouTube channel, Deep Silicon VLSI. See you in the next video. This is Shivram signing off. Jai Hind.